Beach ni Papa Dog.
Wow.
Welcome to... You read, Shing! You read!
Doha Beach Club.
Wow. So, ito yung privilege. Privilege Club. Ayan.
Umaon na ni ang time magbayad mi.
Tara, let's go. Left side down. Picture tayo. Picture.
Come on.
Some medicine for your effed up past. For me, there's nothing left.
Oh, it's so nice.
Let me hold you in my baby. Even though you're not a baby, let me swim you through the shallows. Even though you're grown. Hello, it's nice to meet you. I am everybody's therapist. Don't know what I'm feeling, but that's really not the point of it. Ask me how I'm doing, oh, you probably wouldn't think of it. Hello, I'm drowning. I am everybody's therapist. Hello, hello.
Namili ka lang dyan. Sayang, no?
Hello, hello, I'm drowning. I am everybody's therapist. I always know what you probably want. I'm like a psychic. I can see the middle all go wrong.
50% pala eh.
Oh, kita rin dua.
Bila?
100.
Dito sa mga kubo-kubo na to guys ay libre lang to. Kasama na dun sa entrance namin. Meron dito every Tuesday ay free entrance lang po. Pwede kang gumamit ng kubo at dito lang chill-chill ka lang, tambay-tambay. At dito sa area na to guys, dito yung tambayan. Malapit lang ito sa restaurant nila guys. Pwede kang umorder kasi pag umorder ka, hindi ka pwedeng lumayo dahil may buzzer sila na lalagay sa'yo para kunin yung order mo. Ayan yung restaurant nila guys. Ayan, yung orderan mo. Ayan mga staff nila dito guys. Sa mga may balak na pumunta dito, mas piliin nyo na ang weekdays guys dahil kunti lang yung tao kaysa weekend. At saka yung Tuesday na sinasabi ko ay yun ay free entrance po sa lahat-lahat ng gusto mag-chill dito. Sit back and relax.